Moving on, President William Ruto has pledged that Kenyans will now be able to retain their NHIF cover by paying 300 shillings monthly through universal health coverage. Ruto made the announcement during the Social Protection Conference in Nairobi. Shadra Kariria with more.
Speaking during the Kenya Social Protection Conference of the year 2023, which was held in Nairobi on Tuesday, President William Ruto stated that it is appealing to neglect vulnerable citizens, which impairs the nation's bottom-up approach to an economic transformation.
The government has allocated 28 billion to support cash transfer programs implemented by the State Department for Social Protection.
Ruto stated that the government has allocated 28 billion shillings to support Inua Jamii program with an aim of lifting vulnerable persons in the society.
We are in discussion with stakeholders in that sector to actualize the commitment I made to the people of Kenya that we will make NHIF contributions affordable.
President William Ruto announced that the government will start disbanding the fund before the public servants' salaries starting the 1st of June.
We are having conversations with the county governments, and within the next few weeks, we will be rolling out the program that will also make it possible for us to now pay stipend to the 100,000 community health workers or volunteers across the country, again as a means to bring the people at the bottom of the pyramid on board.
According to President Ruto, 16% of Kenyans currently live below the poverty line, as number peaked during the COVID pandemic, reaching 8.9 million people.
That have challenges to access to food. We have undertaken that every county government that provides school feeding program, we are going to match the funds as national government so that we can get more and more of our children to access food in school.
Schemes not to view the changes and the seriousness you have taken to transform National Social Security Fund as a threat. This is a compliment, and I would urge them also, and I would urge planners and policy makers to come up with a policy that can condense all social security pension schemes into one large insurance scheme that can cover everybody.
I believe the outcomes of this conference will directly impact the lives of many Kenyans. So we want to thank you, Your Excellency, for taking time to be here physically with us, because I believe that comprehensive social protection will make a big difference in the lives of many Kenyans.
Shadra Kariria, Look Up TV.